You are in a Power Apps interview. The interviewer looks at you and asks, Canvas or model driven? Which one and why? Most candidates confuse right here, but not you. You are about to give the perfect, confident answer with the real world logic. A model driven app is like building a house by following a ready made plan. The layout, your forms, views, and dashboard is predefined based on the structure of your data. It is fast, it's consistent, and it's reliable. A canvas app, that's a blank canvas with a full set of paints. You are the artist. You can design any user experience you want, pixel perfect, but you will always have to build everything from scratch, including the structure as well. At the end of this video, I will give you real world scenario of both the apps. So watch till end. So let's dive deeper into the real difference between model driven and canvas apps. Starting point. So model driven apps starts with the data model. You design your tables and relationships in Dataverse and the app is generated from that structure. Whereas canvas app on the other hand starts with the user interface. You begin on a blank screen and create the experience visually, placing elements however you like. Primary use case. Model driven app is best for enterprise level apps that handle complex workflows across departments, whereas Canvas is ideal for lightweight apps tailored to a specific task or user role, like a mobile app for field workers. UI control. With model driven, you get a structured layout using pre built components like forms and views, but your design flexibility is limited. In a Canvas app, you control everything: position, color, behavior, just like designing a custom web page. Data source. Model driven apps only connect to Dataverse, which is great for security and centralized data, but a bit restrictive. Canvas app can connect over 1000 plus data sources, including SQL Server, SharePoint, Excel, and even custom APIs. Responsiveness. Model driven apps are automatically responsive across desktop and mobile, no extra work required. Canvas app requires you to design responsiveness manually, which gives flexibility but adds effort. Last is development speed. Model driven app is faster to build when you already have a data model. The UI is generated for you so you can focus on logic. Whereas Canvas app takes longer since you are building everything from scratch. So layout, logic and UI. So which one you should use? So if your data is already in Dataverse and you need structure process, then use model driven app. If you want a custom user experience with flexible data sources, go for Canvas app. Still confused? Here are two examples that make the distinction crystal clear. Let's have a scenario. Your company wants to replace its traditional CRM system with a custom solution. A model driven app is perfect here. We need to manage accounts, contacts, opportunities, and workflows, all the relationships, security roles, and business rules. So, using Dataverse as the foundation ensures data integrity. So, everything will be taken care by model driven app with little effort. Let's have another scenario. A factory floor technician needs a lightweight app to scan QR code. So, he needs to check the parts availability and as well as he need to update the inventory from his mobile device. So, Canvas app fits best here. The user experience needs to be simple. It should have a large buttons and a scanner support in the app itself. So it connects to SQL for updating inventory. So that's why it's making Canvas app the ideal choice. I hope it will clear so where you will use the model driven app and where you will use the Canvas app. So that's all for this video. Download free Power Apps questions ebook. If not downloaded, link is in the description. Please like, subscribe and share this channel. Thank you.